Alright, this girl's building a nest in the grapevine. How you doing? Yes, I saw the robin go into the vine right there. Blessed to have some robins laying some eggs in the vine. There she goes. There she goes again. She was down by the chamomile patch. There she is, behind the tomatoes. Just went in again to the nest. Alright, we got her going into the nest. This is what goes on at Kevinesfarm. You see the leaves shaking? Whoa, the blue jays and the grackles are here. You hear that? Wow. Alright. Looks like they're in for the night. Please like and subscribe. We'll check out the robins next time on the